Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something new to check out. Well, I chose a good day to go to the hobby store. Look at this weather. Jerry, do you approve of the new purchase? I think that's a yes. Yeah, was that a yes? Oh yeah. Good job. I agree too. Look at that beauty. Woo-wee. Let's get out of the box, Jerry. What do you think? Yeah. Hey. What do you think? Nod your head for yes. My first SCX24 is finally in the cave. Went ahead and got the tin Jeep Gladiator. Super pumped about this. Let's take a look. Visitor in the house. So one of my favorite things about the controller is it actually comes with this 3-position switch. So all the way back, the fog lights are off. Move it forward, the fog lights turn on. And lastly, 3rd position, the fog lights flash. And I think that's a pretty cool little feature. Definitely stay tuned. I got a lot planned for this Gladiator. I got a bunch of 3D printed stuff coming. I'm gonna vinyl wrap the roof and this back section. Cut out the front windows to show off that interior. Add some more detail inside. We're gonna throw a roof rack on. I got brass spacers coming. Thinking of plastic dipping the rims black. Definitely gonna throw in some headlights, and I'd love to have some tail lights as well. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for update 1. Got a lot planned. Make it a custom one-off Gladiator that no one else is gonna have. Oscar, what are you doing, buddy? Who's that? You wanna say hi? Yeah. Hey, man. Today we got Oscar on the bench. We're gonna be doing a few upgrades, making this cat faster, less meowy, less scratchy. Oh, look at that. This is why I love cats. My hobby cave company. Made it. IRONSIDE out.